Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to make your laptop work faster. To make your laptop work faster, the first thing that you can do is change the power mode of your device. To do that, right-click the battery icon on your status bar and select Power and Sleep settings. Now, once you are in the power sleep settings, expand the power mode menu and then change the balanced or the best power efficiency mode to best performance. As you can see, you can change this option for both plugged in and on battery modes of your laptop. Now, but if you set this mode for your laptop for on battery option, it will make your device discharge much quicker when it's unplugged from the charging cable, so be aware of it. The next thing that you can do is reduce the amount of apps working in the background. To do this, right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, now go to Startup Apps section right here, and by reducing the amount of startup apps, we can also reduce the amounts of apps working in the background. So in this menu, sort the applications by status, and the ones that have the enabled status are the ones that turn on when your device starts up. So if you have some kind of application that you don't necessarily need to start up, and when your device turns on, you can right click such application and select disable. Now, by such applications I mean game launchers, messengers, things that you don't necessarily need when your device starts. As you can see, for me those applications are pretty essential, I'd say, so I don't want to change anything here, but if you do have any applications that you don't need, of course turn them off, and this will also increase your device's performance. The next thing that you can do is update your device's system and drivers. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then in Settings select Windows Update and check if you have any updates to install. If you don't have any updates right here like I do, then click check for updates right here. Also check Advanced Options and see if there are any optional updates available, especially if those are the driver updates. And if there are any updates available, click download and select the drivers that you want to update, click download and install, and then wait until the updates are completed. As you can see right now, both updates were just finished. And now the next thing is one thing I highly recommend is installing the HP Support Assistant application, which will make optimizing your device and also installing and updating the drivers of your laptop much easier for you. And to download it, you have to open your web browser, then go to the search engine and search for HP Support Assistant. Then you're gonna find the official support.hp.com website that says HP Support Assistant. Open it, find that button that says Download HP Support Assistant 9. Click on it, wait until the setup file is downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you have to click on it to run it and click yes. Then click next, accept the license agreement to continue, then click next once again. Next, wait until the application is installed, and then close the installation window. And after that, you're gonna see your application on your desktop, but if you don't see it there, go to the list of all applications and find your HP Support Assistant right here. Now, if it's the first time that you're entering this application, you're gonna either have to log in or sign up an HP account for this application. So once you're done, what you have to do is go to the third tab you see on the left edge of this window, and then here, as you can see, you can do a lot of things. Like, for example, you can go to Software and Drivers and check for drivers update. the device will check for updates, the program will check for updates right now, and if it finds any for your PC, you'll be able to select which ones you want to install, and by selecting the ones you want to install and clicking install now, you will install all of them automatically. You won't even have to do anything in the process. So as you can see, here's the camera driver. Select it, click download and install, confirm, and then just wait until this driver is downloaded and installed automatically on your computer. Okay, let's wait. Okay, and once the update is finished, just click OK. Now let's get back to fixes and diagnostics window. And here, as you can see, you can both run hardware diagnostics by clicking launch right here. You can change your battery health right here. And what's most important, you can optimize your device's performance by clicking launch next to optimize your performance feature. Then click next and wait for the following window to load. And right now, just by clicking this one button, your device will be optimized. Additionally, you can choose whether you want to check your system files, empty recycle bin, clean web browsers, history, cookies and cache, disable search indexing, and enable storage sense. So as you can see, if you want to add anything else to just system optimization, just hit the checkbox next to the option that you want to add, then click continue, agreeing to the extended time of the optimization. Once you're ready, click optimize, then wait until the optimization is finished. Well, as you can see, something didn't work well for me. Here are the error codes. Okay, so something isn't working for me at the moment, but basically that's how you optimize your Windows. And that's basically it. That's the last thing I wanted to show to you. Also, don't forget to close the tabs in your browser that you are not using, because tabs use up a lot of RAM memory on your computer. And at this point, I'm gonna finish this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.